Hello, I'm Dom from Maxhaust, and today I'm going to show you the contents of our Active Sound Complete set. If you ordered our Active Sound Complete set plus the Maxhaust V4 bridge, then you should find the following things in the box. Our deep speaker V2, made of fiberglass reinforced plastic, the Maxhaust sound module in a black painted aluminum housing, and the Maxhaust Bridge in a high quality soft touch housing. For the assembly we have two cable sets. The cable for the CAN bus and power supply, and the cable for the sound module. Standard with the two speaker connectors so you can easily add a second speaker. The 180-degree flange for the standing installation and a 90-degree flange for the lying installation in the vehicle. A pipe band and 3 stainless steel strips for the outdoor mounting. In addition, a rubber grommet should a mounting on the floor panel be possible. Let's move on to the other accessories. Here we have suitable screws for the speaker, including screw lock and serrated washers. Self-tapping screws for mounting on the vehicle and 4 small black screws for securing the flange. We also added 4 different power thieves for the fuse box and 2 CAN bus clamps. How to connect the electrical system and install the speaker in your vehicle I will show you in our other videos. Now, nothing stands in the way for the installation. Should you encounter problems while doing so, you can contact our support anytime.